Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Kweru Special. And you know me, Mama Kwaba. This is what I've got for you today. Some nice chili green pepper. My daughter-in-law Harriet asked me to prepare this for her. So it's very nice with some fried yam. I love it with fried yam. These are my ingredients. First of all, I washed them very well before I started. This is some spring onions that I'm cutting in small pieces. I'll just put them in a blender in a minute. And then I've got 4 cloves of garlic. Add that as well in my blender. 5 peppers, the green ones. And then I'll cut my ginger in small pieces. Add my onions to them. And then I've got my bell pepper, the green ones as well. Cut them in some pieces so I can put it all in the blender for it to blend together. And this is the last ingredient for in the blender. Just add some oil to it. Sunflower oil is what I use. And then I'll blend it all together. There's all mixed well together. And then I'll just pour all of it in my heated pan. This is what it's supposed to look like. And I'll just leave it on medium heat. And every now and then what I'll do is just give it a stir. And then I'll add my spices. So here you see me put in some curry powder, some nutmeg. Mix that all together. Some salt to taste. Just taste it and see whether the salt is enough for you. And then I'll give it a stir. I also add some all-purpose seasoning. You'll see me add that later on. I forgot to put that in with the rest of the spices. And then I'll just leave it. That's the all-purpose season. And after a while, you'll see your pepper looks like this. You see the oil is set on top. And that's when you know it's ready. It kind of looks like shito, but a green version. And that's the texture you need. And that's it. You're basically done. And then I'll just put it in my jar. And there you have it. Some nice green chili pepper. And I love it with some turkey, some fried yam, some onions, and it tastes just delicious. Those are my fried turkey. Let me know in the comments whether you want me to make a video of the turkey. It's some nice chili turkey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyame nhyira mo nyinaa. Until the next time.